on my throne, let me light up my torch. Plus I tidied him, I got the source. Seeing me winning, they wishing I lost. Rapping real hard, y'all niggas is source. Imitated by my character, my flow will embarrass you, What bitch rapping like me? Nada. Only double D's for the feet, no Prada. I'm on top of no deal. Only signing for some meals. Eat up, make it real. Sloppy, nigga, you know the drill. I been speeding through the fast lane, petty on the gas, man. Chicks big mad, cause I'm coming up fast. Hill on the neck, and I'm on applying pressure. Nigga, my DM typing up love letters. Hold up, promise this and what you want. Nah, flexing like my name is Flunk. Michael Jordan with the dunk, yeah. Hit the scene, leave him sprung. When John make it, you know I'm whipping the beat. John is dreaming, he producing for me. No Buffy, but I'm slaying the scene. Assume the position, baby, get on your knees.
You know you about to go global, right?
And who won't stop you?
Not a single soul. They can never.
What's good, Rose Gang? It's your girl Scarlett Rose, and we are back with another unboxing video featuring Brandon Blackwood luxury bags, black businesses, or Zay. The lashes that I am wearing are from my brand Rose Gang. My lash line name is Rose Lash Cosmetics. I will leave a picture there showing you the lashes that I am wearing currently. These lashes, I believe we have 3 more in stock. So if you liking the style of the bubbly lash light, then click the link below. I'll leave the website in the description and you can shop with your girl. If you are new to my channel, take 1 minute and hit that subscribe button, hit like, and comment if you like this bag. Like, I love his bags. Like, girl, I want them all. Every bag on his website is just so bomb, and I love it. And like I said in the other video, I love to see a black business owner going up, you know, doing big things. I love to see it, and I love his line. You can tell that he put a lot into his brand, and I just, overall, I'm in love. Like, I'm getting every bag on the website, period. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So here is his cute boxing. Brandon, listen, he's literally Brandon. Like, when you open it, he has his brand, his logo, all in here, all throughout the box. A little letter. Okay, let's read it. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece. Can't wait to see how you style it. Love, Brandon Blackwood. So cute. Can you guys see it? Yes, you can see it. Okay. I may sound a little low because it's like 1 a.m. in the morning and I'm filming, getting all my content out the way. So I'm going to try to speak as loud as I can without waking up my family. So the bag come in a little duster. Cute little bag, just too cute. Okay, and you see the box. Like I said, he's literally branding. Brandon is Brandon, literally. Oh yeah, you guys, did I tell you the name of the, of course you see the name of the bag, but this is the mini Cara bag in black. Girl, you can never go wrong with a mini black bag, like, ever. So when you open it, he has it wrapped, and he has his label right here, and another one at the top. Okay. Let's open her on up. Oh, she is cute and real small, okay? So I'm gonna take this off real quick. I don't know why I thought on a website that this was like leather, but it's like a smoother material. He has his label here, Brandon, of course, Brandon Blackwood. This is it. This is very cute. It's giving me, this would go good with like a puffer jacket, a boot look. So let's open her up and let's see what's going on the inside. Okay, so we have our little strap so we can cross bag it up. I'm a cross bag girl. It's literally so crazy. Like, I literally used to be the girl that only liked big bags, and now that I'm getting older, it's like little bag me all the time. Literally. All this stuff, they really stuffed her. Like, and I'm gonna stuff her right on back. Okay, so they put these little things in there. Okay, so it looked like I'll be able to fit my credit card, my debit card, lip gloss, cell phone, and keys in here. Literally, she's a mini. And I love the fact that they have the little legs at the bottom so your bag won't touch the surface wherever you're sitting. That's dope. No germs, so I like that. Okay, and let's see how it look with the strap on. I love the fact that it's a cross bag. I love cross bags because you get tired of holding bags sometimes. You know, you don't have time for that. So she is really, really cute. So cute. I give this bag a 10 because it's black and basic. You could wear this as an everyday go bag if you wanted to, and then it gives you, once you take the straps off, it's like a little out girls night out bag. Like, it's a transformable bag. So definitely 5 stars for me, and I rate it as a 10. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey. Those who don't know me, I am a upcoming independent artist, female rapper, singer, songwriter, entrepreneur. My music is streaming on all platforms all over the world. You can get it on Apple Music, Tidal, YouTube, of course, Spotify. Make sure you girls go check me out. Make sure you check out my newest video, Rose Drill Girl. It's giving all the bars that it was supposed to give. Thank you guys. Love you so much. And to my gang who's been here from day one, y'all know I love y'all. And I thank y'all for all the support. And keep rocking with me. We about to turn it up a notch this year on all these hoes. Period.
Big body girl, but ain't strong enough to flip her. Oh, I'm his appetite for dinner. Plays no games, racing on him like a horse. Things stand tall no matter what I got on. I'ma set it off as long as you keep it strong. Ass real jelly, he don't like